Dear students, how are you? I hope you will be fine and okay. To class 5th Social Study, chapter 5th Features of Democratic Form of Government. So this is a practice set for you before exam. In this video, we are going to cover tick the correct option, fill in the blanks, and C part answer the following question. Most important question are here. Okay, first tick the correct words. Okay, a person who has been chosen on the behalf of a group to represent it. Okay, answer will be representative. Represent means representative here. Okay, answer is here also represent it or representative. The list of voters in a particular area. So list of voter in particular area is electoral roll. Okay, answer will be D. An organized society such as a nation or city. An organized society such as nation or city. Answer will be C. Polity. Okay. Election are conducted every dash year in our country. Answer will be A. 5. Clear? Second B part. In a dash, the leader is elected by the common people of that country. To answer will be democracy. In a democracy, leaders is elected by the common people of that country. Okay, dash are important in a democracy. So elections are important in a democracy. Answer will be elections. The whole country is divided into small parts which are called dash. The whole country is divided into small parts which are called constituencies. Okay, constituencies. Okay, small areas. Next, C part answer the following question. First question is here. According to you, which is better, direct democracy or indirect democracy? So answer is here. People cannot be expected to have the time or interest to make importance and regular decision. So in people, all people remain busy full day to their uh, daily routine work. Okay, so people cannot be expected to have the time or interest to make importance and regular decision. Hence, the representative democracy make the elected leader accountable for the people's decision. So that's why they elect the leader. So according to questions requirement, representative democracy is best. Clear? How can democracy get threatened if we do not participate in election process? Answer: the first major threat is lack of engagement with political decision making. People are not want to engage with political activities. Okay, so there a lack of interest is there when technology is used to spread fake news. So it impacts political parties and people. So we can see the impacts of fake news on political parties as well as common peoples. So these are the few causes. What is voter ID? So answer: voter ID is a document issued by the Election Commission of India to eligible citizens of the country, empowering them to vote in the election of the country, to provide their name appeared in the voter list. So this is the voter ID card. Okay. So document, this is issued by Election Commission. Okay. So after that, when you got this voter ID card, then you will be eligible to cast a vote. Okay, so then you can give vote. Next is, what is nota? Nota, answer is not, none of the above. It means none of the above. When you sana EVM machine, downside this button is there. Okay, it means none of the above. Nota has been provided as an option to the voters of India in most elections since 2009. Okay, by expressing a preference for none of the above. It means none of the above. A citizens can choose not to vote for any candidates. The a citizen can choose not to vote for any candidate who are consulting the elections. Means if citizen voter feel that no one is a good candidate is there, so he can press this button. Means he is not giving vote to any candidate. It means, what is difference between direct democracy and representative democracy? Answer is there. Democracy, direct democracy, representative democracy. Okay, it may also known as indirect democracy. In this form of democracy, citizens participate directly to accept and reject a proposal or new law. This type of democracy, okay, people, uh, citizens participate directly to accept and reject any law or proposal. For example, Switzerland. In this form of a democracy, few officials are elected by the people to make law for them. Means few leaders are elected by the people that make law for the peoples. For example, India. India is a this type of democracy. What is the difference? Next question is there. What is the difference between legislature or executives? Executives, what is the difference between those? This branch is responsible for making the law to govern the land. This branch is responsible for making the law to govern the land. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are the part of this pillar. Okay, clear? Or this pillar, this branch you can say. Executives, this branch is ensure that the law are properly followed. So this branch ensures that law are properly followed. The president, vice president, prime minister, council of minister and bureaucracy are part of this pillar. Clear? Or you can say this branch. Now, look this side. Here, legislature, executives and judiciary. Question. Try to understand the question. If you find question what is legislature, you can write this side only. Define legislature, you can write this side only. What do you mean by legislature? You can write this side only. One question. Second is executive. If you find question what is executives, explain executive, define executive, then you can write this side only. Okay. If examiner want same question judiciary, then you can write this side only. Okay. So this is a single one question, two question, three question. After that, differentiate any two branches. You can find in your exam any differentiate between any two branches. Okay, these two branches we have already discussed. Third branch now we are going to discuss. This branch ensure that the law are properly understood. Here properly followed, here understood. Okay, and implemented. Okay, judiciary. This branch ensure that the law are properly understood and implemented. Supreme Court, High Court, District Court, Sub Court, Municipal Court, Magistrate Court are part of this pillar or this branch. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.